Hi everybody, Lance the Option Teacher here. This video I want to go over two new ETF offerings they just announced it this morning from Tap Alpha. I currently have TDAQ. It's a 0 DTE covered call on the QQQs. And I also have TSPY. It's a 0 DTE covered call on SPY. They did just announce the T2 lift strategy. So it's going to be 1.3x exposure. So it's going to be 1.3 times the TDAX and TSPY for the core strategy. The ticker symbols TSYX and TDAX. This comes directly from the website. 6 daily investment results before fees and expenses of 130% of the daily performance of TSPY. Current market price is around 24. Expense ratio is a little high at 0.98. If you look at TSPY and TQQQ, expense ratio is a little less, 0.77 for TSPY. For TDAX, it's 0.68. So that is something to be aware of. 0.98 for TSYX and 0.98 also for TDAX. So you're paying a little bit higher expense ratio due to the 30% leverage that they have. That is definitely something to consider when looking at these funds. Another way that I'm personally going about it is using limited margin on TDAC, and I also have NIHI. That's a international covered call fund from NEOS, and I'm using about 20% margin on those, meaning the amount of stock that I could buy off them, I'm buying 20% more and using that as a margin. So with the margin cost compared to the lower expense ratio, you're essentially having to pay some margin interest that might be offset by the expense ratio that's a little higher. It's definitely something to consider. Right now, the margin rates are 5% for Robinhood, 4.15% for M1 that I'm currently on for 1 year. A little bit more on the individual funds. If you look at the fact sheet, so it's leverage for TDAX. They're going to be very similar. TDAX is leverage, TDAX exposure, enhanced growth potential, but also enhanced possible loss potential because it could go down. Then you got enhanced income potential. We don't know the exact distributions yet, so that's definitely something that you want to be aware of. It's designed by amplified growth in a dynamic market. If you're selling 0 DTE covered calls in a bear market, it's going to underperform compared to, say, TDAC because you have more leverage in it. Flat market may or may not, depending on where they sell their covered calls, if they have to roll them out or take a loss on the premium side. Moderate bull will outperform, mostly because you have the leverage there, and the actual price of the ETF should be going up faster than, say, TDAC. And then a bull rally will outperform as well because of that margin that you have. Seeks to amplify daily performance of the reference asset, TDAC, providing leverage exposure to enhance growth potential. Seeks to make weekly distributions, not monthly like TDAC has. So it might give a little bit more of a motivational boost by getting distributions every week instead of every month. And it's targeting 130% of the performance of TDAQ. Has reduced time risk on Tap Alpha. They do 0 DTE instead of longer dated. The analogy they give is it's like an airplane that's going from New York to LA. If you are just going in one direction and not changing your course depending on weather and other conditions, you might not be in LA, you could be in San Francisco at that point. But since they're doing 0 DTE, you're able to adjust more frequently on it. And that's based on the flexibility it has. So this quick video for now. If you're interested in any of these funds, let me know. Again, I currently do have TSPY and TDAC, and I am considering using these in the margin account. So again, Lance the Option Teacher here. Hopefully this video is helpful. If you found benefit for it, please like and subscribe. Have about 30% of current subscribers in the channel that watch my videos, so there's 70% that aren't. If you found value in this, please click subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.